Yo, there's a lot of reasons that I love Disney cruises, but let me tell you on our last experience. So, this was the first time we actually went with friends. Me and my family, we have sailed a lot on Disney cruise lines because we really enjoy them. My kids love them. They love the kids club. I have two boys. They love the Star Wars area, especially when the Disney Wish launched, right? So on this past time, we were with a group of friends, and there were 6 kids in total with us. Well, one of the nights we wanted to do the Enchanté, the adult-only dinner, and we knew we had to get the kids fed and everything else. Well, our waiters were so amazing. We told them, hey, the kids won't be here tomorrow. We've got Enchanté. It's just not going to happen. And they were like, no, bring them. Bring them here. We will feed them. We will take care of them. We will make sure they get to Kids Club. That's the level of service that you pay for. And we did. It was Pirates Night. They all went down there in their garb, and they were so excited to get to dine alone at the table with just the 6 kids. The waiters took care of them and made sure they got to Kids Club and went above and beyond so the adults could have our own night, away from the kids until we had to pick them up from Kids Club later. So it was an amazing experience. And that's one of the reasons we'll pay that premium for the Disney Cruise Lines, because it is so special. They go the extra touches. And I'm so excited about the Disney Treasure. I have already made my reservation for their sailing, and reservations open up tomorrow for the general public. So please get with me if you're interested on any Disney cruise line. I've been on them all, and I am excited to share all of my knowledge with you if you want to book.